Now, I want men to listen. I want to teach how to what? To solve the problem of low performance what in men. You know, infections has what has destroyed performance in men. Sometimes you observe that you have been performing, you have been knocking very well, but due to some infection or infections that you have not treated properly, it starts what affecting your performance in terms of knocking, in terms of what, when you are knocking your girlfriend, your women that are your friends, or knocking your wife, and this causes problem. So today I'm about to teach how to solve such problem. Now, if you are a man that is watching this video or this reel, if you have been observing that you have been doing well, you have been knocking very well, but after sometimes your performance begins to reduce, it may be infection or some infections that causes it, and you need to treat it. And I'm here to recommend what? A herbs or medicine that can treat it very well, so that you can perform and knack well, to knack your your girlfriend, your women, and what? Your wives very well. Now listen. If you have been observing all this problem, now go to those people that sells what? Herbs. Those people that sells herbs. Now, in the particular people I'm referring to is those people that sells some of these herbs that would enhance knacking, that helps you, give you strength, that helps your bola to rise. They sell all those things there so that you can knack your girlfriend, your woman, or your wife very well. So those are the set of people you go to, and the herbs or medicines they have are what? Something like Energy 3000, or Stop and Start, and something like that. But here is how to treat what? Infection. So go to those people, ask of what? CIMAC. That is the medicine that will solve your problem. CIMAC. So once you go to those people that sells those herbs, ask of CIMAC. Get at least 2 containers of CIMAC, because one container is 2,000 naira. So 2 containers is what? 4,000. It's not expensive. But I advise you to go for 2 containers so that this infection will be treated properly, and so that you can knack your girl, your woman, or your wife well. So go for what? CIMAC. 1 container is 2,000. 2 containers is what? 4,000 naira. Buy 2 containers so that for it to be effective, for you to solve this problem. Then how do? You take 1 cup. Once you have bought it, early in the morning, once you wake up, before you even listen, before you drink water or before you eat, take 1 cup of CIMAC. Once you take 1 cup, you stay for some time. In the morning, you have not eaten anything. Then you drink water. Or you can eat. Then in the evening, you take 1 cup of CIMAC, at least twice a day. That is how you do it. Once you finish the first container, the second container, 1 cup early in the morning before you drink water or before you eat. Then in the evening, you drink it. Make sure the 2 containers, you finish it. you will see that it will help your immune system. It will what? Help your what? Immune system. It will help free flow of blood within your system. All the infections, you start excreting it, you start urinating it, it will be passing out from your body. You'll be excreting it through what? The excreta or the feces. It will leave. And you see that your system will be intact. You see that your knacking will be what? Very accurate and correct. And I advise every man that watch this video or this reel, make sure you repeat it monthly, because you know anything infection, you don't just treat it and relax. You have to be treating it monthly. Then every month, make sure 2 what? Containers of CMAC should be drank. 2 containers. Make sure that infection, you suppress it. Don't give it a chance. Make sure you drink this CMAC. At least 2 containers every month. And I advise from anything 1st of every month, 2nd, 3rd, you have started drinking it. Every beginning of every month, make sure you treat infection. Very important as a man for you to be performing very well. 2 containers of CMAC, once you drink it, at least it serves for that month. And also you keep your personal hygiene. You make sure you keep your toilet clean, wash your toilet properly, so that infection will not have any chance. Make sure you wash your toilet very well. Wash your bathroom very well. Wash your clothes. Make sure you use pure water to bath, clean water. Before you use any water to bath, make sure what? Treat it properly so that the infection will not have time on you. Make sure your water, the water you drink, if it's not well treated, treat it very well. These are ways of what? Preventing infections. Any fruit you eat, wash it properly. So now, another thing I want men to be doing is fruits. Make sure you eat fruits. Even before you knack. It's very important. And the fruits I'm recommending now are what? Bananas. Make sure before you knack your girlfriend, your woman, or your wife, make sure you eat banana. Ripe one. Enough. Eat banana and groundnut. Drink enough of water. As far as you have treated, make sure this thing I said, you'll be taking it, treating your infection. You see that it will give you energy for knacking. Cucumber. These are fruits you should be taking as a man. Watermelon. These. Don't joke with all those fruits. Then any day you eat cucumber, eat it with groundnut. Fruits are very important. It helps what? It gives vitamin and it helps build immune and it builds what? The system. So, and this CMAC I've recommended for my fans that I've said in this video or this reel, it helps build immune. So make sure you take it. It helps build immune and what? It helps the free flow of blood and builds your system. It's very, very, I'm telling you. So make sure you take all these things. Make sure you do what? You take all these things. It helps. And another thing I want you to know as a man, vegetable is very good. Make sure you eat something like ugu, vegetable soup. Eat vegetable soup. It helps. Eat enough vegetable. It helps build immune. Vegetable soup, vegetable stew. If you are eating rice, make sure you eat vegetable enough. It helps. So these are the things I want you to take into consideration. So please, I just said I should drop this update. If there are questions, drop those questions on the comment section and I'll reply you. So that is it. I want you to watch and please share this video or this reel. Thank you.